Today's video is actually for those of my guys that actually need a live trade. Yesterday a guy actually said that I'm teaching people what I don't do, or if I don't like money. So that caught me, so I actually jump up here to do a live trade and show you guys. So I'm going to use a lesser capital for this arbitrage so that everybody can actually participate. You can actually make money with your 15,000 naira, with your 16,000 naira upward. So let's jump into the video. I click on deposit. After clicking on deposit, I now click on deposit engine. I'm going to wait for it to load so that we can actually carry this along. So guys, before I continue with this arbitrage, what I do in my channel is I promote cryptocurrency arbitrage such as exchanges arbitrage, triangular arbitrage, spot trading, p2p trading, and etc. So if you like the kind of content that I promote on this channel, please do well to subscribe and like, and also share my video. Thank you very much. Once you are on this interface, you click on continue. Once you click on continue, it will take you to another interface where you are going to set up your trade or your transaction. So here we are going to use 16,500. So I will now click on 16,500. You can see with our 15,500 we are going to receive 16,400, and they will deduct a merchant fee of 100 naira. So let's click on continue. So boom, can you see that there is a matching offer? So I'm going to proceed and send money to this guy. I want to pay to the guy now. First of all, what I need to do is I'll click on copy, and I'll copy the guy's account number, and I'll move to my OPay. You can see the payment method is Paycom, that is OPay. Okay, boom, this is my small account here, so I don't really have much here. So I want to carry out this trade immediately. So I now click on OPay. Once I click on OPay, and I paste in the account number here, Emmanuel James. Let me go and confirm the name again. Okay, you can see James Emmanuel in front. So I've confirmed the name again. So I now click on the guy. Once I click on the guy, I now insert the amount I want to sell. I want to buy 16,500. With my 16,500, you can see, and I click on confirm. Can you see transfer successful? So I now click on done. So I need to go and notify the guy that I have paid. I'm here again, so I need to click on I have paid. I click on I have paid. So after clicking on I have paid, so I'm waiting for the guy now to release my engine so that I can go and complete the trade. Okay, you can see. Okay, right guys, you can see deposit completed. The guys have sent my money to my wallet. So let's go, and with my 15,000, you can see my available balance. They have deducted 100 naira from the transaction that I made. So I want to buy USDC now. Let me insert everything that I have here. 16,400. With my 16,400, I will have 10.3 USDT. So let's buy it now. Let me use market order instead so that you can actually understand what I'm doing. So I want to buy now. So guys, can you now see my available balance here after converting is now 10.189 USDT. So let's go and sell it and see how much we will be making. So before that, before going to sell it, you need to transfer the money from your spot to funding wallet. So let me show you how to transfer money from spot to funding wallet. My spot to funding wallet. So I now click on spot, and I click on max here. So you can see, I now click on confirm. I have actually successfully transferred the money from my spot to funding wallet. Okay, let's go and complete our trade. So I now click on P2P here since the money is on my funding wallet already. So I now click on sell. I toggle off this. So that I can find all the available merchants. Say the amount that I want to actually transfer. So let me say the amount I actually want to sell, 16,500. And now come here. To sell for this first guy you are seeing here. Now click on this first guy here. This amount will be having 16,553 naira. So I now click on sell here. So I'm actually waiting for the guy to send me the money here. Let me chat him up. I think you guys have seen my balance here. So when I receive the money, we are going to do the calculation here to show you that this is actually profitable. So I have actually received the money. You can see he said paid. So let me go back and click on receive payment. Now I need to click on payment receive. So I click on I have received the payment. I click on confirm. So guys, you can see here that I have successfully sold my 16,553.47 USD. Remember, we started this with 16,500, but I've been able to make 53. Let's just call it 50 naira profit. So if I can go this again, I can do this like, let me say, before at the end of the day, I will do this like 5 times or 6 times. So if you like this kind of content that I'm dropping to you, please guys, do well to subscribe and like my video, share my video also, and turn on the notification button, because I keep dropping updates like this for you guys to benefit from. You can see that I actually tried this out and I have made my profit of 53 naira. So because I actually tried this with small capital, let's actually calculate this. I started this trade with 16,500 and I've been able to make 16,553 naira. Let's say 16,553 naira, 53 naira minus 15,000 minus 16,500. You can see I've been able to make a profit of 53 naira. Do you know why I made this 53 naira? Because I actually used to start with less capital. You know, the higher your capital, the higher your profit. So I don't mean I used like 50,000 naira. I would have made higher than this. I actually purposely use the 16,000 naira to show people with less capital that they can start growing their small capital to a big capital. So if you like the kind of content I'm dropping to you guys, please subscribe, like my video, and share my video too.